Penny and myself would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll see you all again in the New Year. No, that didn't sound right. Yeah, no.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, and we will see you all in the New Year.
Okay, thank you.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, and we'll
and
see
we
you
will
all in
see
the New
you
Year.
all in the New Year.
Okay, thank you. Penny, I'm very proud to say I'm now an affiliate of High Tech Diamond. If you use the promo code Rock and Roll, you get 10% off everything except for machines, repairs, and gift cards. So please check out their website and all their products. I'll leave a link in the description. If you recall, a little while ago, I received a bunch of rocks from a friend of mine's niece, who also likes rocks. And we're going to cut a bunch of these open, if not all of them. I'm excited to see what's inside. There might be copper, there might be all kinds of stuff in here, agate. So let's cut these open and find out.
Who's later.
Alright, let's have a look at these. Just gonna grab them. Haven't had a look at them yet. I just cut them and put them aside, so I'll be as surprised as you. Oh, that's pretty. That'd be a nice cabochon. Wow, very colorful. Definitely make that into a cab, or could do some butterfly wings too. Very nice. That one's interesting. Oh wow. It's got all kinds of blue metal in there. Not exactly sure what that would be, but it's definitely metal. Huh. I thought that would be copper with all this green on the outside. Interesting. It's got the amethyst here. Some of that blue metal down at the bottom. Some quartz. Little conglomeration of something in there. I don't know what that is. Ah, sea maggot with amethyst. Very pretty. Oh wow. I like that too. That'd make nice caps. For sure. A little bit of green in there too. Right up in here, down here. Very nice. Oh wow. That one's cool. It's got the green up in here, the top, and all this agate and stuff going through. Wow, that is so cool. Here's the other side. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. Let's see if I could do something with that for sure. Well, we have some of that metal, some pyrite, some green stuff. Not exactly sure, but the gold is pyrite, the blue is some kind of a metal. Love it. Wow, same as that one. More of that metal, that big strip of black in here. That's that dark metal. Some pyrite right there. Awesome. This here, I think, is jasper. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. I'm gonna have some fun making things out of these things. Just gotta figure out what to make. Excited to see what's in that green one. That's kind of dark and mysterious. Interesting. Wow. Kind of agate, but it's not. This one is definitely an agate. I just trimmed around the sides. Come on. I was going to cut it right through, but I chickened out. But I think this is a whole nodule. That is awesome. Let's see what's in this green one here. I think she's all copper. Oh. Oh, yep. Not all copper, but two tiny little pieces right there and over here. You see that? Little shiny spot? I'm pretty sure that's copper. Anything on this side? Nope. Wow. Thought this would be full of copper. Interesting. Oh, wow. That's all pyrite. It's gold. It's gold. Very cool. I'm loving that really bright green. It's a beautiful color. Ooh, that's got a lot of stuff going on. A little bit of pyrite, a little more of that blue metal, some green, some quartz. quartz. Tiny bit of agate. Wow. I'll have to see how these cut into slabs. See if I can make something out of them. Ah, that's cool. All pyrite and agate in the middle. Cool. Kind of like a seam agate. It's more of that blue metal. If anybody happens to know what that is, I would love to know. Nice conglomerate. Kind of the same kind of stuff. I did cut a rock kind of similar to this stuff, and when I cut it, it turned out to be Billy Gibbons from ZZ Top. Isn't that cool? I'm going to polish this up one day and put it on a necklace. Yeah, it looks like ZZ Top. To me, anyway. Got his hat. Round glasses. Missing part of his glasses here. His mouth. Beard. Oh, there's some more jasper. Very pretty. Oh, wow. That's very nice. A little bit of agate, some of that green stuff. Could be green quartzite, not sure. This is probably the biggest rock that I've cut as far as diameter size on my saw. I had to kind of cut through it and spin it around. Well, let's see what's in here. Oh, a little bit of everything. Wow. Yeah, we've got one more over here. Little guy. Oh, I think there's going to be some metal in there, I betcha. Oh, a little bit of everything also. Wow. I like it. Well, now it's time to drain the water out of here and clean everything up. While I'm doing that, I hope you hit the like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell, see more videos, and we will see you all next week. I hope you have a great week, a safe one. Maybe Santa will bring me that tumbler I want.